Top 5 AI trading apps in the USA 2026. Which one is best for you? AI versus humans. Can AI bots eliminate human emotions like fear and greed? Zero coding automation. How to build your own trading bot without coding using apps like Composer and TrendSpider. Real-time sentiment analysis. How AI trades by reading news and social media. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only. Use it at your own risk. Stop losing money by trading with your emotions. In 2026, the world's most successful investors aren't staring at charts all day. They're using AI. While you're sleeping, AI-driven bots are analyzing millions of data points and executing trades with surgical precision. In this video, we will discuss currently trending apps, the best apps, a detailed comparison, and the final verdict. 1. Introduction. Hi everyone, trading has completely transformed in 2026. You no longer need to stare at charts for hours because AI, artificial intelligence, is doing that work for you in seconds. Today we're going to compare the 5 most powerful AI trading apps in America that are currently ruling the market. We'll find out which one is the best fit for you. Let's dive in. App Breakdown 1. Trade Ideas, Holly AI. First up is Trade Ideas. It's the top choice for professionals. Its AI, Holly, runs thousands of tests overnight. If you're into day trading, its accuracy is truly unmatched. 2. AInvest, AI. If you're just starting out, AInvest is the best. It acts like a personal coach, telling you exactly what to buy and when to sell. Plus, it connects seamlessly with major brokers like Robinhood. 3. TrendSpider. This is like magic for those who rely on technical analysis. It automatically draws lines on charts and identifies patterns for you. It turns hours of work into minutes. 4. Composer. Want to build your own strategy but don't know how to code? Composer allows you to create your own trading algorithms without writing a single line of code. 5. 3 commas. And finally, 3 commas. Perfect for those who want 24/7 automation. It offers excellent bots for both stocks and crypto. Which one is the best? The winner. Now the question is, which one is the winner? It really depends on your needs. If you want to be a full-time trader, nothing beats Trade Ideas. If you want to learn and invest safely, AInvest is the simplest. If you want to run bots for both crypto and stocks, 3 commas is the winner. New trending apps. Don't limit yourself to just 5 apps. Sometimes newer platforms like Moomoo or Tickeron offer massive advantages. 1. Moomoo, the data powerhouse. Moomoo is a smart trading platform that gives you free level 2 data. You can track the moves of big investors and use professional charting tools. If you love deep analysis and international markets, Moomoo is for you. 2. Tickeron, your AI predictor. Tickeron is a pure AI trading tool. Its AI robots identify patterns on charts and tell you the exact percentage chance of a trade's success. This is for those who prefer AI signals over doing their own manual research. Conclusion. What's the difference? In simple terms, Moomoo is where you execute trades and view heavy data. Tickeron is the tool that tells you what to buy using AI. Serious traders often use Tickeron to find stocks and then use Moomoo to place their trades. Final verdict and disclaimer. The bottom line is that in 2026, AI tools can save you a lot of time and increase your profit potential. But remember, trading always involves risk. No AI is 100% accurate, so always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and let us know in the comments which app you'd like to use. See you in the next video. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay tuned.